Hey guys, my name's Sachin. Do you want to learn HTML CSS in 30 minutes? Then this video for you. After completing this video, you will able to create any web page using HTML CSS. Then let's start. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. Type on Google Notepad plus plus. Notepad alternative for Mac or Linux. Okay, Sublime text. Okay, you can download Notepad plus plus or Sublime text. Okay, click download for Windows. You can download for Mac, Linux. Okay, click on download. Windows, Linux, and much more. So you can use any editor to learn web design course. So I have already download Notepad plus plus. You can use any editor. So here we will write code, first HTML code. Okay, HTML. Here we need to choose language. First of all, we need to remove. Goes to file, new. Okay, and here we will choose language, HTML. Okay, HTML. This is a HTML tag. Okay, this is a open tag, and after we will write HTML close tag. Okay, it called HTML element. This is a root element, and here under HTML we will write head section, close head section. Okay, website have two part. First part head and second part have body. Okay, body, close body. Okay, this is a body element, this is a head element, and completely HTML element. Okay, body part, this is my text. Okay, this is a meta description part, like title, description. Okay, so Control S to save and goes to desktop, and here we will create a folder web. Okay, and here we write index. Why index? When page load first time, then call index file. Okay, server call index file first. Save and open web and double click open. This is a body part to see text on body. This is a body part, and this is a title part. Okay, here we need to my first web page. Control S to save and reload. My first web page. Okay, and here we need to type h1 okay. Under h1 you can write my first heading, and here we will write P for paragraph, H for heading. This is paragraph, and reload this page. We need to close this h1 head. Sorry for that. Control F to save and reload. This is my first heading. This is h1. You can use h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6. So here we will use all heading. Okay, paste again, and here we will change h2, h3, h4 and h4, h5, h6 and h6. Okay, here we need to reload this page. h1 is bigger than h5, h5 bigger than h4, so h6 is smaller than all of h heading tag. So here we will use CSS. Okay, how to use CSS? CSS have three types. First, inline. Second, internal, and third, external CSS. So in this tutorial we will use first inline. So basically, insert CSS we need to type style only and equal to double quotes, and here you can type like, if you want to this heading color red, then you type color red, semicolon. Control S to save and reload. Then it will be work perfectly. And if you want to this background purple, semicolon and reload. Here we need to change color white. Okay, Control S to save and reload. Okay, and if you want to whole body color change, so BG color we need to goes to body, and here we will type style. If you want to change BG color of body, then you need to copy background green, semicolon. Control S to save. You can choose any color, red. Okay, reload this page. I hope you understand better. If you have any question, you can comment. Now we will meet with another video of web design course. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you very much. Bye bye and take care. Hello friends, my name is Sachin and welcome in web design part 2. Friends, in previous video we were learn about inline CSS in HTML. So goes to open file and open my previous web page file. Here we need to choose language HTML. Open HTML. Okay. So in previous video we were learn about inline CSS. First of all, we need to understand how many types have CSS. Okay, CSS have 3 types to write in HTML. Okay, we need to comment HTML comment. Okay, here we will describe all type CSS. First, inline CSS. Okay, second, internal CSS. Okay, and third is external CSS. Okay, inline CSS, you can write CSS in tag like type to style, and you can type all CSS like background, color and much more. Okay, and internal CSS, so we need to save it and choose save as and internal CSS. Okay, and remove it. How to use internal CSS? Here we need to type style tag, open and close style tag. Under style element we will write h1. This is a selector of CSS. Open curly brackets and close curly brackets. This CSS work for h1 tag. So here we will write background red, color white. Okay, Control S to save and open web and internal CSS. Okay, and here we write for body, this is a body selector. Okay, background purple. Okay, Control S to save and reload. It's work. You can use internal CSS on same page, and we need to open my index file. And third is external CSS. What uses of external CSS? External CSS have same property, but it is very easy and change very easy. Okay, if you have many of files and if you want to change some background color, then it's much easier to use or change some CSS. Like we need to save as external CSS. Okay, and here again we remove it. Okay, and we need to create a file and choose language CSS. Okay, and type body selector, open and close curly bracket, background purple, color white. Okay, Control S to save, and here we need to create a folder for CSS. Okay, under CSS we type here style. You can type any name which you want, style, and how to import this CSS in HTML. So under head tag we will write link rel style sheet. Relative, rel means relative, style sheet, and type this CSS type text and CSS. Okay, and href means location. Here we have CSS in CSS style in CSS folder. So here we will describe, goes to CSS folder and find style.css. okay, let's work, and goes to web, and this is a external CSS. Double click, it's work. Okay, and if you change H4 background red, font size 25 px means pixel. Okay, Control S to save and reload. Okay, it worked perfectly. I hope you understand how to use CSS in HTML. So if you have any question in web design part 2, then comment, and please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Now we will meet with another video of web design course. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you very much. Bye bye and take care. Hello friends, my name is Sachin and welcome in web design training. So in previous video we were learn about how to use CSS in inline, internal or external. So I recommended you to use external CSS. It's very easy and very easy to change for all files. Okay, so we need to open web and open all. Okay, this is a external CSS, this is a internal CSS, and this is a inline CSS. Okay, we need to delete it. Okay, and add it with Notepad. We need to copy. Okay, and open, add it with Notepad and paste here. This is a external CSS. Okay,
we need to remove external CSS. Okay, and remove it. Okay, just we are doing more practically how to create website. So here we are typing division. This is a div tag of HTML. Okay, here we need to create class. So go to CSS and okay, you have already learned about CSS selector like body h4 and body. This is a selector of CSS, and second CSS selector class selector. Okay, class selector, class selector, select class selector are how to use, how to write class selector. Okay, dot main division. Okay, this is a class selector. Okay, copy, Ctrl S, and here we need to type class double quotes and paste here. This is a class selector, and under division class property, here we will write main div, and here we will write class property and value. Property is background red. Okay, width are 250 px, height 250 px. Okay, and Control S, and we need to close all. Okay, this is index file. We are working on index.html. Okay, so reload this page. We need to write here to center this division. So margin 0 px. Okay, reload. It's not center, but when I type R2, then will be on center this division. Okay, position absolute. Okay, and reload. Relative. Okay, and margin 5 6%. Okay, reload. We need to add 4 width. We need to increase height 450. Height. Okay, and under main division you can put any text, color white. Okay, and here you can write any paragraph. Okay, we find some dummy text, lorem ipsum. This is a dummy text website, and copy, okay, paste here and reload. We need to change some, goes to padding, then text will be padded from this division 5 ph. Okay, reload. 10, 50. Okay, and here we will write h1. Okay, my first web page. Okay, you can use another paragraph and copy and paste. Here we need to remove some text in second paragraph, delete it. Okay, and you can change background color. Okay, background purple. None. Okay, it's working perfect. So here we are using class selector. Okay, and now we will use id selector, and here we need to type to create id selector. So here we use has, and after type id selector name. Okay, and copy it, and we need to save as home. Okay, and here we will use id. Okay, this is a id selector. Okay, and we need to open home, working on same, but id sometime we need to command for JavaScript and much more. So, and here we will change some under main division. P background, sorry, color yellow. Okay, and here we need to reload index, and it not work because here we define id selector on home. Then we need to go copy id selector and paste, and here we need to color green. Okay, after main div write selector of P and reload on reload of O. Okay, hello. Okay, you can use id selector or class selector. Okay, so I hope you understand better how to use id selector, class selector and tag selector. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye, take care. Now we will meet with another video of web design course. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you very much. Bye bye and take care.